I'm Dave Seibert. Welcome to Spotlight, where we highlight leaders and executives in our industry. Anthony, welcome.
Thank you, Dave.
So, Anthony, take a moment. I want you to introduce yourself and share with me what Natural Networks does.
Sure. So my name's Anthony. I'm the owner and president of Natural Networks. We've been around since 1994, and I started actually way back in the days at DOS, Novell NetWare 2.12, 286B server that was manufactured by Novell. And really just from there, got into technology, loved it, loved computers. And just out of high school, I decided I'm going to actually go and start my own company. I had a few people asking me for help, so I'd go help them on the side and decided, why not make it a thing? So before then, I was actually doing finishing construction. So kitchen cabinets and bathroom vanities and such. I was actually the youngest to ever get certified by Corian to do Corian countertops. And then right outside of high school, started up my own company and slowly made the transition from full-time doing finishing construction, started back off on that, and just as my own business on the IT side grew. Did about everything IT-wise. Anybody that needed help would be there to help them out. And then I decided, you know what, phones are going to be part of the network one day. So around late 90s, I got into that. And we got into two different lines, actually. One was by 3Com called the NBX. Another one was ComDial. And we got certified and trained in those, started doing those systems. That was a lot of fun because it was part of the network eventually, at least the 3Com was. Then in early 2000, I started creating some cloud services, even though they weren't cloud services then, doing remote backup and some website hosting and hosting things for people, along with our IT services. And then just as we continue to grow over the years, now we're in 3 different data centers, and we own and run our own voice and data networks and cloud network. We do fully managed voice, IT, and cloud solutions purely for businesses. We don't do any residential. And we're also a C7 licensed contractor in California. So we're actually licensed to do all the low voltage cabling. Awesome.
That's quite a few things, and I want to touch on those. So you mentioned a few services, and when you talk to a client, kind of share on a high level, what are the core services that you deliver for clients?
So we have 2 core services. One is our managed IT, and the second is our cloud PBX. And that's what we try to focus on.
So when you say managed IT, a lot of people don't know exactly what that includes. So kind of give a rough idea of what is managed IT.
So managed IT can be a lot of different things to different people. The way we define it is we're going to take care of 100% of your technology in your office or offices. So whether you're having a printing problem, or you're having you got a new cell phone and you need to get your email on there, you need to add a new computer, all the way to I'm going to add 2 more offices. We need to get servers and workstations and deploy everything. We take care of everything from A to Z. We will even interact with the software vendors that you use and assist them with any of the upgrades or troubleshooting connectivity problems or feature capability problems of the application.
Okay, that makes good sense. And who's the target client? So when you're talking to prospects, what is the target client that's a good fit that you're looking for?
The typical client is anywhere from 10 to 50 workstations. Somebody who's already paying at least about $1,000 a month between all their telecom and technology bills. We don't have a particular vertical that we focus on, but we do have quite a few clients in professional services, in insurance, and then actually been in retail too.
And let's talk about benefits. So you engage with a client, and now they're your customer. What are normal results of what that client gets by doing business together with you?
So going back to our ideal client for a second, the cherry on there is where we can do all of our services for them. So we're their IT company, we're their internet provider, we do the cloud services, and we do their cloud PBX. The benefit to the client is it gets rid of that finger pointing, and it actually reduces their accounting costs a little bit because they're not having to manage multiple invoices and review multiple invoices and cut checks for multiple invoices. And then for them also, it's one point of contact. So as things happen, as an example, clients move offices. It's a common thing. Well, we're able to go in and cable the new place, bring the internet into the new place, get all their computers moved over, move their phones over, and make things much more seamless. And instead of them contracting with maybe 4 or 5 companies, it's just one.
That makes really, really good sense. And I was going to ask you for geography-wise.
Mm-hmm.
So headquarters, perhaps in Southern California. How about if they have remote offices, or
Mm-hmm.
or what's a geography that you would cover?
Our headquarters is in San Diego, but we have roughly 300 clients, and while the bulk of them are in San Diego, it's more their headquarters in San Diego, and then they'll have remote offices all over. We've got clients with remote offices in Manhattan, in Dallas, and everything in between. We actually have one client as far away as Guam that we manage.
Yeah, and in today's age, because of internet connectivity, and
Mm-hmm.
now the clients at one time they had to be really nearby,
Right.
not so much anymore.
Nope.
And that makes a lot of sense, which obviously means you can reach out to a larger geography of clients and still
Correct.
take care of them just as well as
Mm-hmm.
if they were local.
Right. Good technology and good people set up right, you can do a lot.
All right. Anthony, thanks.
Thank you.